Welcome to the weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington for Monday, February 27th. Here's the outline for the most impactful weather tonight through the weekend. Periods of light snow are expected today with a swath of moderate to heavy snow possible tonight over North Idaho and eastern Washington. A windy and milder pattern sets up for the middle of the week onward. Precipitation over the second half of the week will likely transition to low elevation rain and high elevation snow. This will likely lead to some stream and river rises. Here's a quick visual overview of the week. Most locations, as you can see, will remain in the 30s today through Tuesday before highs warm into the low 40s and even into the 50s for some locations, like Lewiston. With these warm temperatures, though, we will see the winds pick up, but we'll get more to that in a minute. Let's start with what we can expect tonight into Tuesday in terms of snow amounts. This graphic shows the potential snowfall forecast with most of the snow in extreme eastern Washington and North Idaho. Keep in mind that this is the type of system that can produce highly localized accumulations, and totals can vary significantly over a short distance, depending on where these snow bands set up. A winter weather advisory has been issued for the areas shaded in purple, including Spokane and Coeur d'Alene, until Tuesday morning. Something to keep in mind as we go through the week: with cold overnight temperatures, moisture refreezing on roadways is possible. This could lead to some slick spots, so remember, even as air temperatures rise above freezing during the daytime hours, road temperatures may remain below freezing. After this period, we'll see a good warm up with sporadic precipitation through the week. Here's a 7-day outlook for eastern Washington. You see that both Spokane and Wenatchee finally warm into the 40s. Looking at the 7-day outlook for North Idaho, it's the same story. Some locations even surpassing the 50-degree mark. Besides the warmer temperatures, the main impact during the latter half of the week will be gusty winds during the day on Wednesday and Friday. Here you can see the maximum wind gusts expected for both Wednesday and Friday, with Spokane expecting gusts in the upper 30s mile per hour both days. Friday is expected to have the stronger winds of the 2 days. Now, these strong winds, in combination with the milder temperatures we're expecting, can be a good recipe for low elevation snowmelt, so many may see their snow eroding quickly, increasing runoff into streams. We are not, however, foreseeing any real problems with flooding in the near future. We will begin to see rises on some creeks and rivers by Friday, but nothing problematic is expected. For the weekend, we'll yet again remain in an unsettled pattern with rain and snow showers possible. Looking further into the extended outlook, those hoping for spring may be disappointed with the 8 to 14 day outlook. It shows a general cold and active pattern over the western U.S., resulting in a chance for below normal temperatures and above normal precip. So an overview of the impacts this week. They include snow accumulations tonight, as well as snow for the North Idaho and Central Panhandle Mountains and the Cascades through the week. With wet weather, there's potential for roads to refreeze for the next several days during the evening through overnight and early morning hours. Breezy to windy conditions Wednesday and Friday, warming temperatures by the end of the week, which will lead to increased snowmelt and runoff, and cause small rises on rivers and streams, along with ponding of water. And I'd like to end it quickly by addressing a change coming to our website that could affect you. On Tuesday, March 7th, the NWS web pages will be updated. The link to weather.gov/Spokane will still work, but any bookmarks you have for our point-and-click forecast pages may not work. For that reason, after March 7th, you will have to resave your NWS forecast bookmarks. This change will provide many improvements, including additional hourly forecast info, new mobile-friendly pages, new widget mode to customize your forecast, and print-friendly pages. As always, you can stay up to date with the latest forecast at weather.gov/Spokane or on our social media sites. Thanks and have a great week.